Guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about the switch statements, but there is a new thing that we are going to learn today is in the switch statements when you are writing the when, right? You are only specifying one value. You can specify more than one value separated by a comma. Okay, so let's say we wanted to see score is equals to 90. If somebody scored 90 marks or 100 marks, let's say if your score is 90 and somebody's score is 80 marks or 90 or 100, then in that case we are going to display first. In that case, if this value matches, so if one of these value matches, then this block will get executed. When let's say 75, 80, if these two values matches, if one of these value matches, then this block will get executed. So you can have multiple values also next to. So you can check for multiple values. So here, let's erase this. So here, what I'm saying this, let's say you created a variable called integer your score, and right now the value of the your score is 90, and then you are doing switch on your score, and then you are checking when. If the score is let's say 85, 90 or 95, or somebody scored 100. In all of these scenarios, what's going to happen? We are going to display system.debug first place. First place. Okay, you are going to get the first position. Then when, if let's say he scored 80 or he scored 75, then in that case, this person is going to get system.debug second place. Second place. When, if he scored 70 or he scored 65 or he scored 60, then in that case we will go ahead and say system.debug third place. Then when else, we can have an option when else block. If none of these matches, we will go ahead and say system.debug work hard next time. Next time. So you can check for multiple values. So in this case, what happens is you can putting an expression in your score. What is the value of the your score? That is 90. So where is this 90 falls? On which when block? So 90 falls on this block. So what will happen is it is going to display first place. So if you want to make sure, let's go ahead and hit the execute button. Method does not exist or incorrect signature. Okay, let's see. Okay, debug. Let's execute. debug only, see first place. Similarly, if you go ahead and change this to, let's say, 60 now. Now, where is this your score value is? Your score is 60. Where is the 60 falls? So 60 fall in this rank, right? So what will get displayed? It will say third place. So let's go ahead and hit the execute. Debug only, third place. Now, the next one is, let's say if somebody scored 80. So now where is this 80 false? What is the value of the expression 80? Which block will get executed? This block will get executed because 80 is false here. So now what will get displayed on the screen? Second place. Let's hit the execute and see. Debug only, second place. So you can check for multiple values. Now if let's say by mistake you have entered 80 in this also, you have entered 80 in this also. So now you have 80 in this block as well as in this block. So let's see what will be the output of this program. So let's go ahead and hit the execute. It gave you an error. It tells you that hey, 80 occurs as more than one when branch for this switch statement. So you cannot have duplicate values in two different pins. Okay, so you can have only 80 at one place, not in multiple places. Okay, so that's why it gave you an error. So this is all about the switch statements.